Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you some friend mail. So I was not expecting this friend mail, and I got this package in my mailbox, and that's not unusual because, you know, I order a lot of stuff, but it didn't have any like words on the package or anything like that to say where it was from. So I went ahead and snipped it open. Well, after I snipped it open, I saw a Shein bag and I thought, okay, I didn't order anything from Shein. So I put not everything. I put it back in. I only grabbed one thing out thinking, okay, I don't remember ordering anything from Shein, but then I went back into my Shein cart just to make sure I didn't check out because I've had things in my cart for like a while, but I haven't checked out yet. So I was like, okay, yeah, no, it's not that. So I started looking through my email, my Instagram, my Facebook messages, all that stuff to see if anybody let me know that they sent something to me, and there was nothing. So I'm thinking, okay, it's kind of weird. So then I went into my business email thinking, okay, I have done some work with Shein in the past, so maybe my representative sent me some promo stuff. So I went in my email, looked for that. Yeah, nothing. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to post this video and just say, okay, who that has my actual address, because there's not many of you out there that have my actual physical address. So it can only be a handful of people that would have that information and send it to my house. So I'm thinking, okay, it's got to be one of them, but I had no idea who. Well, just as I was thinking about going to go ahead and film the video, I got a message from Casey, and her channel is called Casey Has Opinions and Terrible Video Skills, and she let me know that she sent me the package. She ordered this a while ago, but anytime you order something from Shein, it takes a few weeks to come in, so she didn't want to like tell me right away and then maybe waiting for weeks and weeks for this thing to come in, and she just figured she would wait till it got closer to time when it was actually going to arrive, but it actually got here before it was estimated to get here, so that kind of threw her off. And she ended up messaging me after the fact, but I'm so glad she got to me because I was like really baffled as to where this package came from. But that was a really long explanation and a really long intro for what Casey and Nadia sent to me. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my mysterious package. I did open it, so I did see a few things, but I didn't see everything, and I didn't take anything out of its packaging, the very few things that I did look at. So let's go ahead and start with this that's sticking out. And, ooh, it looks to be some high heel shoe artwork. It says one size. It doesn't say exactly what it is, so let's go ahead and just pop it open. Alrighty. Ooh. Oh, I will so reuse that. Okay. Let's go ahead and flip it on out of here. They rolled that really good. Oh, they're decals. Oh, how fun. Oh, these are so fun. So I can put these anywhere in my shoe room. I love this. Guys, I'm not sure if you're seeing these, but these are some super cute heels. I'll just kind of flip it around because they're like every which way, I guess. But this is so super fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow, I wish I would have thought to buy some of these because that's a really great idea because I have some gaps in between my, shoe paintings, and this will totally fill those gaps. I'm excited. Yay! That is super fun. Okay. Oh, I was like, what is stuck on there? Oh, there's some more in the back. Oh, hold on, guys. There's more. But wait, there's more. Like an infomercial. Okay, this is so super cute, guys. Let me just show you these designs really quick. I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was double-sided. So there you go. I have two different sides of high heel shoes that I can peel and stick to my wall. Super stoked about that. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is the one that I grabbed this out and I saw that it was from Shein and I was like, okay, yeah, I didn't order anything from Shein. Actually, this one says Emery Rose. So it might not have been this one that I pulled out. It might have been the other one. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, pretty. Oh, stop. This is so cute. Oh, that is so adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh, stop it. I mean, just stop it. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is really cute. I will try this stuff on for you guys. What size is it? It's a mysterious size. Not really sure. Looks a little small. I wear most of my shirts big, so like I'll get a large, sometimes an extra large because, you know. But if it's an actual dressy shirt like this, I'll get a medium. Maybe that's a medium, but it should fit just fine. So I'm excited. Yay! Okay, so we have another. This was the one I put out, and I saw Shein. I was like, okay. I didn't order anything from Shein yet. Okay, let's take a look here. Your crazy is showing. You might want to tuck that back in. That is so cute. It is a pillow cover. How cute is that, guys? Stop it. I mean, seriously, stop it. That is going to look so super cute in my craft studio. And you guys are sending me all the ammo to motivate me to get it done, which is really cool. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. It's so fun. Oh, yes. They're like purple galaxy nails. Oh, I love it. I'm sorry, I'm not showing you guys. I'm looking at it. How fun are those? Yes, yes, and yes, please. They actually match my hair. I'm just saying. So super cute. Yay, I love it. Thanks, guys. Ooh. Oh, how cute. Oh, I could totally put these in instead of what I'm wearing right now. I just put some boring earrings in. These are so cute, though. Check it out, guys. Purple gummy bear earrings. Oh, those are adorable. I love them. That is so super cute. Oh, yes. That is so fun. You know what? I have gummy bears like these, and I didn't think about making earrings out of them. I put a bunch of them on a lampshade for Stephanie from Random Reviews of Stephanie. But that's a really cute idea. Thank you, Shein, for the idea, right? Okay, there's a couple more things in here. Awesome, awesome. Let me sit that. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is so cute. And it's purple. Guys, check this out. A purple cow keychain. Stop it. And it's got bling around its neck. I mean, just stop. That is so stinking cute. I don't even want to use it. It is so cute. And then it has a little flower with it. Oh my gosh, I just love it. That is cute. That is really cute. Okay. All right, let me set that aside. And we got one more thing in here. Boom. All right, let's pop it open and see what's inside. Oh, how cute. Yes. Oh, I love it. Look how cute that is, guys. Does that not scream Amber? It for sure does, guys. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Oh, this will definitely be perfect. Yes. Thank you, Casey and Nadia. That was so super sweet of you guys. I'm so like flattered that you thought of me. That is so awesome. And Casey was like, she had it sent straight to my house because it's just actually it's easier that way. If you just go to the company, order the stuff and have it shipped straight to the person's house. I just wish that Shein, I'm not sure if they do or not, had like a gift slip they could put in there where you can like type a message so that people know where it's from, kind of like what Amazon does. That would be very cool. Shein, I'm just saying, you might want to try that out. Not that they'll see this video. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I would definitely try the couple of shirts that she got me on. I love everything. Thank you so much, Casey. If you guys have not been over to Casey's channel, please make sure that you check her out after you're done watching this video. Casey has her daughter Nadia on the channel quite a bit, so it's really fun watching those two together. It really, really is. I love watching them, and I think that you guys love them as much as I do, so please make sure that you check them out right after you're done watching this video. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is... What day am I going to put this on? Whatever Wednesday? Okay. Oh, guys, you know how much I love friend mail, but I was not expecting this one, and I had no idea. I don't want to say it. Hold on.